Insert the plastic expansion nut into the fixing holes of the toilet pan. The fixing plates can be adjusted to determine the right position of the hinge pin. By placing the seat above the pan, you can compare the pin positions against the pinholes and make the necessary adjustments. Now insert the screws and tighten until firmly fixed. Cover the hinge plates with the hinge covers. Attach the seat onto the toilet pan. The soft close hinges will now work independently of each other. For cleaning, press the side buttons one after another. After a click at each button, the seat will pop off the fixing pins.